Did you hear that the city might close down the main library?
Oh no, because of that one developer?
Yeah, it's ridiculous. I wish there was something we could do to stop them.
They shouldn't do it. I'm going to vote to save the library right now.
You're gonna do what?
Here it is. Don't close the main library in 2016. It already has almost 18%. Okay, I voted to keep the library open.
Is that the live voting app I've been hearing about?
It's called Secure Polling System. It's really great. I can vote for literally anything I want, and if enough people vote for the same thing, our representatives have to respond, or else the newspapers start asking them tough questions.
How does that work?
Only registered voters can sign up, and the registrar checks your ID when they activate your username. And the whole thing is backed by solid cryptography, so people's votes can't be tampered with. The people who use it know this, and they're all registered voters, so the politicians really watch what they're voting for. After all, if a representative ignores their constituents, they're likely to get voted out at the next election.
So who counts the votes? The people who count the votes decide everything.
Anyone can count the votes. I'm running a counter on my own computer, and all the news outlets and politicians run their own counters day and night, watching every trend so they can stay on top of what the people want. It's really exciting to have so much power as a voter. You should sign up.
Wait, but everyone will know what I vote for.
No, your vote is totally anonymous. No one knows who anyone is.
But I show the registrar my ID to sign up.
Yes, but your key gets blinded before the registrar signs it, so even she can't tell what you vote for.
I have a key? A blind key?
Don't worry about it. The software takes care of all the gory details, but if you really want to know...
No, I believe you. How do I sign up for this?
The registrar is at the library, but first you go to this website and pick a username and a good password, and then ask it to set up an appointment with the registrar. It only takes a second. You show your license or ID, and she presses a button on her computer, and then your username is valid for a year.
Then what do I do?
Then you open up the web page, put in your username and password, and start voting on things. It will show you all the statements and the percentage of people who agree with them. You can click on any statement you agree with and add them to your screed, and it gets uploaded, and all the counters can see it.
You mean my vote gets counted instantly?
Yes, as soon as the counters see it, the percentage is updated for whatever you voted for.
What if I feel strongly about something, but I can't find it when I search for its keywords?
Well, you can write a new statement yourself, and then hope other voters find it and add it to their screeds. That's how all these popular statements began, you know.
Wow, computers are amazing, but I don't have a computer of my own. Can I use the public computer at the library?
Yes, you can use any computer you want.
Wait, how can we trust this? Can't some hacker change all the votes?
Good question. The system was designed by hackers. Good ones. And all the source code is open so anyone can see how it works inside and how the cryptography prevents fraud or hacking. For example, your screed, the list of statements you agree with, gets signed by a key that only you have the password for. Nobody can use your key but you.
So why can't I just make a bunch of keys and vote like crazy?
You can make all the keys you want, but no counters are going to count them unless they're signed by the registrar. And they check the signatures every time they count.
Doesn't that take a lot of time to check?
What's time to a computer? It only takes a split second, and it's what makes the whole system so powerful. Anybody can see how it works, and nobody can interfere with people's ability to vote for what they believe in.
So if it's all voting, why is it called Secure Polling System?
Well, polling means asking people what they believe, and the counters are asking you what you vote for by looking at your screed several times a day. But it's more like voting because only registered voters can participate, and nobody can get counted as multiple people.
So what will happen if everybody in Oakland adds free public transit for everyone?
I guess if everybody wanted it, the transit authority would have to make it happen somehow.
But what if they just ignored it?
The newspapers would run stories about the vote count and about the mayor, and no politician likes negative attention, so there would be a lot of pressure to deliver what the people were voting for.
That sounds like real democratic accountability. Well, I'm going to vote for Secure Polling System.
That's cute, Bob. Real cute.